Why okra and coconut water helps with congestion and throat irritation. 1. It soothes the throat and mucous membranes. Okra's natural mucilage acts like a soothing balm for irritated throat. It coats and calms inflammation. It also loosens mucus, making it easy to expel. 2. It reduces inflammation. Okra contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin and vitamin C. Coconut water helps reduce heat and internal inflammation while rehydrating you. 3. Natural antimicrobial action. Both coconut water and okra have compounds that is going to help fight off bacteria and viruses. Coconut water, especially from a young coconut, contains lauric acid, and that is known to support the immune system. 4. Gentle expectorant. Okra water helps thin out mucus and phlegm so it can drain easily from your sinuses and your throat. 5. Hydration boost. Staying hydrated is the key when you're congested. So coconut water provides natural electrolytes that is going to support healing and keep your throat from drying out. So this is how you're going to prepare it. You're going to get some fresh okra. Either you plant it organically or you buy it, yeah? Wash them, then you're going to slice them up, and then you're going to soak it into coconut water. You're going to get coconut water from either the coconut tree or from the box, which is 100% coconut, yeah? Then you're going to soak it for 24 hours or overnight, and then you're going to drink it on an empty stomach. You have to drink it on an empty stomach because that's the only way it's going to activate to do all of the benefits that I just discussed.